With Making Tax Digital coming, a lot of people are asking, do I still need an accountant? Or can apps like Tide, Money, Xero, or Sage do everything for me? The answer depends on one thing. Are you looking for software or actual financial guidance? First, you've got banking apps like Tide and Anna. These are not full accounting systems. They're mainly business banking apps with some smart automation built in. They handle basic bank accounts, invoices, and receipt scanning. For very small businesses or freelancers with simple finances, these can work well. They're easy, cheap, and reduce admin. But here's the downside. You are still responsible for understanding your taxes. The app won't tell you if you're tax inefficient. Banking apps help you move money. They don't really help you make financial decisions or structure things properly for the long term. Then you've got proper accounting software like Xero, Sage, or Free Agent. These are much more powerful. This software can automate a lot of bookkeeping. It handles MTD submissions, VAT, and profit tracking with extreme efficiency. But here's what many people misunderstand. When you use accounting software yourself, you effectively become the bookkeeper. The risk is, software only works properly if transactions are categorized correctly and you actually understand tax rules. Because software won't stop you claiming the wrong expense, mixing personal spending, or missing tax planning opportunities. Software is very good at calculations. It's not very good at human judgment and strategic planning. Now let's talk about real accountants. A good modern accountant should already be using automation, AI, and cloud software. The future isn't accountants versus technology. It's accountants using technology to give you an edge. The biggest difference is this. Software processes information. Accountants interpret it. They provide strategy and accountability. Because when income grows, complexity grows too, especially for locum doctors, landlords, and high earners. What happens if you miss an allowance or trigger an HMRC inquiry? Software can't take responsibility for those decisions. Software helps you file taxes. Accountants help you make better financial decisions. That is the real value of human expertise. So which option is best? If your finances are very simple, banking apps or software may be enough. But once complexity increases, advice wins. The smartest businesses today don't choose between accountants and technology. They use both to stay ahead of the game. To sum it up, banking apps are cheap but high risk. Software is powerful but turns you into a bookkeeper. A real accountant handles the complexity. At Actech, we combine AI-powered systems with real human accountability. Follow for more tax and MTD insights. The bottom line, the cheaper the solution, the more responsibility moves on to you.